In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply feature on Facebook Marketplace. If you're a frequent seller on the platform, you know how time consuming it can be to respond to every inquiry. Setting up an auto reply will save you time and ensure that potential buyers get the information they need promptly. Let's dive into the steps. First, let's go to Facebook through your web browser or mobile app. Log in if you haven't already, and hit the Facebook home interface to get started. On the left side of your Facebook feed, you'll see various options. You want to locate See More within this menu. Click on it. This action will expand your options and reveal additional shortcuts, including Marketplace. Once you've clicked on See More, look for and click on Marketplace. This will take you to the section of Facebook where all marketplace interactions happen, both buying and selling. It's a bustling hub of activity, and having an automated message here can really streamline your buyer communications. Now that you're in Marketplace, look for a settings icon. It's typically near the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is where you'll be able to fine-tune various settings, including notifications and messaging features for your marketplace listings. Within the settings menu, find the option that says Set a Custom Buyer Message. This is the feature we'll be using to create your auto reply. Click on this option and you'll be given the chance to compose your automated message. Think about what your buyers most frequently ask or need to know right off the bat. Common responses often include details about item condition, price confirmation, or location for pickup. Now, it's time to draft your message. Keep it concise yet informative. You might want to include a polite greeting and any crucial details that customers repeatedly ask for. For instance, "Hi, thanks for your interest in my item. It's still available and I'm located in your location. Feel free to ask any further questions." Once your message is exactly how you'd like it, double check for spelling and grammatical errors to maintain a professional tone. Then, it's as simple as finding the Save button. Click to save your message, ensuring that your auto reply is now active. With these steps, you're all set. Every time someone inquires about one of your listings on Facebook Marketplace, they will receive this auto response. This setup not only saves you precious time, but also reassures interested buyers that you're attentive and considerate. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and next time you receive numerous inquiries, you'll appreciate the efficiency of having this auto reply feature at your disposal. See you in the next video.